Namaskara. I am Dr. Kishan Chandra. Today again, I want to discuss with you about the waste decomposer. Now you see there is two form of waste decomposer available in the market. One is old pattern in gel form, other is in liquid form. Liquid form is quite very useful. Gel form, whatever companies are selling, it has been reported they are not maintaining the quality. Today, I want to discuss you about perfect waste decomposer who has used in the field last 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and they have got the tremendous results and some very particular, unbelievable things has happened in their field. So I want to discuss you first incident. It has been reported 1.5 years back by one of my farmer through WhatsApp. What they did, he has prepared the waste decomposer solution, but he is not able to use it, and it is kept ideal with the cover for 1 year. After 1 year, when he is opened remove the cover, he has seen the drum, some unusual things are stone type is available on the bottom. So he just taken it out, and he was surprised, and he was again astonished, and he was not able to understand what is this. Then he had called me, he has sent me the photographs, what is this. Then I told him, because I have also not seen this type of changes. In fact, that contains corals. Corals has been formed in the waste decomposer solution. How it is happened, what is the things, that I don't know, but certainly there in waste decomposer, whatever we have prepared, it contains some environment friendly bacteria. That may be the reason that has started acting. So corals, we know corals is found in our seawater, and it is a very useful for the environmental purpose, and it is an indicator if your water is good, if your environment is good, then it start growing. That's why it is found in seawater. So that seawater in the aquatic area, it is a useful and very much required for the fish. So that photos I am sharing you, just you see it, okay, how it is happened, what is the things I don't know, but it is happened. It is a miracle I can. Now the second incident I want to share you, that has been recently happened, reported by one of my farmer from the Gujarat. In fact, he is in Navsari. Place is called Navsari in Gujarat. He also prepared the waste decomposer solution and kept it ideal without use of more than one year. And some solution is in bucket, he has shown. After 1 year, when he has opened the drum, removed the cover, he has seen lot of things as floating on the top of the solution. He just surprised, what is this? He has taken it out and sent me the photographs, and along with some videos. I have requested complete video, but he has sent me. So it is surprised to see what he has sent me. It is lynches and mosses. So it is found, if you see in the jungle, trees is covered with the green algae. It's covered with the some plants which don't require any our soil. So it's just aerial plants. So this is happened in his container, and that is the indicator ki how it is happening, because some bacteria contains in our waste decomposer solution, and it is obvious, it is reported, it is well known by the marine people or our scientists from forest. When in waste decomposer solution, if you are keeping it long, some algae start emitting inside. So this algae along with the bacteria present in the waste decomposer solution, it has came together and formed this our mosses and lynches. So this is again I can say indicator of the good environment, because if environment is not good, water, air is not pure, it will never happen. So cyanobacteria, which is form of algae, green type or blue glee algae, it has been appeared in the drum. So that is again indicates ki when you are keeping this waste decomposer solution longer period, it starts germinating of the some algae. Or other way you can experiment with, you can take some blue glee algae if you have nearby, take only 10 gram, a small quantity, and put it inside a waste decomposer, keep it longer. You will find it will spread, it will multiply, and that will give you benefits. So no need of taking from outside, you can even produce it in your house or in your top up, because it required one big container, any big container, plastic container or your other container what you have, you take it, put some soil inside, about 2 kg, 3 kg soil, along with this some phosphorus, any form phosphorus, chemical phosphorus or your bone meal, you can put it about 300, 200 gram, and put our waste decomposer solution along with the algae and keep it. You will see it will multiply. It will multiply fast. Maintain only waste decomposer 10% solution or 20% solution. So you will see it will multiply, and you can harvest it every 45 days, 45 to 60 days. It should be kept on the sunlight. So that is very useful, and you can even pack and supply to any others. So this is another feature has came to the light, that's I want to share you. So this is happen, and you can see the photos, how it looks. Farmers is handling with his hand and reporting the things. I am also putting this mobile number. You can call him and ask the incident.
नीचे खाली करो नहीं उधार टोकलो करिए जरा
અમે જ કરી નાખેલું હતું તો પેલા નરેશભાઈ ને પૂછીને કરેલું હતું હા સેલ મૂકેલો હા બે વાળી
મધમાખી વાળા કાકા
મધમાખી વાળા
બીજી પેટી લાવડાવી
ચિંતા